Alright, good morning to you, my friends. So, today we are going to explore the Koilkonda fort. That's my car there, I've just parked it. The time is 9 a.m. right now. The high temperature today it's going to be 30 degrees centigrade. It's a very good day. So, last time when I've come to this place was in 2018. It was summer during the May. So, it was crazy hot. So, there's just all water here. Okay, so here's what the government say. It's a notice. They say this is a protected monument. This has been declared as an ancient monument and notified as a protected monument under the Andhra Pradesh Ancient and Historical Monuments and Archaeological Sites and Remains Act 1960, 6 of 1960, under section 30 of 1 of the Act. Whoever destroys, removes, injures, alters, defaces, imperils or misuses this monument shall be punishable with imprisonment, which may extend to 3 months, or with fine, which may extend to 5,000 rupees, or with both. Ancient monuments are your legacies. Do not disfigure them. Director, Department of Archaeology and Museums, Government of Telangana, Hyderabad. Alright, yes sir, we're going to abide. Whoa, this thing definitely looks different than what it was in 2018 during the summertime. There's a chain here. I think it's to block this route whenever needed. Alright, I see 2 lions and an elephant, 2 swans. The Koilkonda Fort, which once prospered and shined as a crown on top of this hill. It echoes its majesty, which once stood on this hill. But today, these remains, they say, it's standing alone, abused, unattended, and falling apart. We have a visitor. Come. At least I'm not alone here. Ooh, it's all flooded here. Let me try a way to cross this thing. Okay, I think I found the way. And my friend is still following me. come on. Okay, this is gate number 3.
The Koilkonda fort is one among the famous hill fortress in the state of Telangana, India. They didn't use mud, slime or other material to structure and construct these walls, which is nothing less than a wonder. Ponds were made to supply drinking water year-long. For their comfort, they've also made stables, granaries, and a yard to keep and raise elephants.
There is this chamber. And I can see stairs inside. So the reason why I, visiting Koilkonda Fort again was those were the initial days when I was very excited to visit places like these and wasn't paying much attention to how to film things like those, the camera gear, the resolution which I should be choosing. So most of that footage was captured in 480p. Wow, definitely it's all overgrown.
It takes 30 to 40 minutes to hike this route, which includes crossing gates, passing through ruins, passing by ponds, and with few less painful routes. But in the end, the reward was overwhelming. My soul inside me was constantly thanking someone, and then I decided to sing this song. I hope you'll like it.
Oh Lord my God, when I in awesome wonder consider all the works thy hands have made, I see the stars, I hear the mighty thunder, thy path throughout the universe display. Then sings my soul, my Savior God, to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art. Then sings my soul, my Savior God, to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art. When in the woods and forest glades I wander and hear the birds sing sweetly in the trees. When I look down from lofty mountain grandeur and hear the brook and feel the gentle breeze, then sings my soul, my Savior God, to my soul, my Savior, go to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art. And when I think that God His Son, not sparing, sent Him to die, I scarce I take it in. And on the cross, my burden gladly bearing, He bled and died to take away my sin. Then sings my soul, my Savior, go to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art. Then sings my soul, my Savior, go to thee. How great thou